Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So today I'll be sharing with you how to combine succulents with fresh flowers. So here are the materials that we need. We have here fresh cuttings of your choice. And we have the vase with water and with flower food in there. Another option is to use floral foam. Just make sure to soak them with water with flower food. Then I have here marbles. This will not just decorate my arrangement, but this will also hold my arrangement. To begin with, I'm going to create a focal or centerpiece. Don't forget to prep your flowers by cutting the edges of the stems and taking off some of the leaves. So this will be our focal. This is a little bit long, so we're gonna cut around 2 more inches. Okay, this is good. So I added more decorative glass and marbles. There you go. Now let's start arranging. And our goal is to create a round shape arrangement. So if you need to cut the stems, feel free to cut it. Another, I'm not sure about that right now. And then medyo i-eyeball mo na lang yung ano mo, how you're gonna make the height. Just figure out the height. If it's too tall, then cut a little bit. I-ano mo na lang. Feel free to rearrange depending on the height and the design that you want to achieve. Just make sure your arrangement is balanced and the flowers and the succulents are well blended or complement each other. Kind of here, a little bit here. Okay, so yung mga space, don't worry about it kasi we're gonna fill it up with succulents mamaya. Meron pa tayong, we still have that succulent. Ito, mga ano pa lang ito, flower pa lang to. Ngayon, mag-add na tayo ng succulents natin. So, here comes our first rosette, which will be here. So, yan na yung ano natin. We're gonna fill up all of the gaps. Fill the gaps with all of the succulent arrangement. Don't forget to check out my video of how did I wire or how to wire succulents. So please watch that video if you haven't seen it yet to get some ideas on how to make fake stems to your succulents. I'll put the link in the description down below. Then let's add our fillers. I did this. And I'm going to add this one here. Mababa kasi itong ibang stem. So I can move it somewhere na as long as hindi niya ma-overpower yung ibang flowers, diba? So I'm going to put it one here, one in the middle, or Here. Okay, alright. So it's nice to incorporate. Let's see. Maybe we can put it here. As I've said, feel free to move your. So since this is bendy, diba? So you can bend na lang and add that one up. There you go. So it's almost finished. So ang gagawin natin, ayan, incorporate na natin yung succulent with the fresh flowers. We're gonna add our cascade succulents.